Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Rahul. In this short demo, I will walk you through my AI portfolio assistant built as part of my journey exploring the generative AI, the art of possible. The goal is to showcase how generative AI can be applied in real world use cases and business transformation. Today, AI is not just a buzzword, it's transforming industries. I wanted to create a hands on portfolio project to demonstrate how AI assistant can take information more accessible. It can be interactive, intelligent. Here is the interface that I created for the assistant. As you see, I have some information about me at the top, and there is my assistant. And let's ask some questions. Say, what are Rahul's top five core skills in short? In background, it uses generative AI to answer questions. It assists with tasks and showcase my portfolio details in real time. As you see, it has responded with my top five skills like cloud native architecture, digital transformation. Let's ask another question. What qualities, leadership qualities. Qualities. Let's say in short. As it says, my leadership quality. Okay, and let's ask another question. What? Okay, let's ask this time the question in Hindi. This can be language agnostic as well. For example, Rahul का LinkedIn प्रोफाइल लिंक क्या है? As you see, it has provided my LinkedIn profile. I will post it in the post here. Generative AI charts that we can streamline the customer services, we can improve the knowledge sharing, enhance the productivity of the teams. My goal was to explore how generative AI can go beyond. The biggest takeaway for me is understanding the art of possible with AI in enterprise. Thank you for watching this demo. If you would like to connect with me and collaborate, let's reach out to me on my LinkedIn profile. I'm happy to share more. Thank you.